Assalamu alaikum to all my brothers. Juma Mubarak all of you. Mechanical gaming keyboards. Two different types of keyboards are running. See. And this one is TechWare Phantom. See the options. Check. Now the third style is Hurricane. This one is breathing. This one is red switches. And you can optimize the speed as well. Thanks for watching. There are a lot of functions are here, but video time is too long. Thanks for watching. In the place of Republic of Gamers Multan.